Coach Kim here, seasoned personal trainer. Yes, I normally don't wear neckties, but you're gonna get excited when you see what you can do with an old necktie or other items that we're gonna be using to stretch those hamstrings. So let's go ahead, guys, get on that floor, and remember to always consult with your doctor before starting a new exercise routine. All right, guys, so this necktie, I'm not wearing my husband's old necktie, and by the way, I did get permission to use this, but so if you're gonna be using a necktie, make sure you ask that person if you can have it and keep it for life, and I'm sure we have an old necktie. So I'm gonna show you some great stretches that you can do if you don't have any kind of old rope. Sometimes people use ropes. If you happen to have a stretch strap, that's great. Just to show you what one looks like. Right here, Vive Health sells them as well. And I also use old ropes that you can get cut at a store. But if you only have a necktie, it works just as well. So I'd like you to lay on your back. Go ahead and put that necktie or that rope or that stretch strap that you have. Extend one leg out straight. I'd like you to go ahead and keep this leg straight as you pull it towards you. Gentle, hold it for about 2 seconds, release it down. Okay, see what I'm doing? I'm choking up on it. I'm doing a little it's active isolated stretching. You're gonna hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Feel it back here. My knee is just soft and lower it back down. Good, we're gonna get 3 more. So let's go ahead and pull up. Feel that stretch, the back of the leg, nice. Now remember, tight hammies, tight hips contributes to back pain, so I'm gonna keep you pain-free. That sounds nice to a lot of us, doesn't it, all the way up? And if you don't have pain, we wanna keep you pain-free too. And come back down, because 84% of people have issues at some time with their lower back. So it's important we stretch it. And some of you are on your feet all day, or even some of you sit all day, and too much of anything is not good. It's kind of like, eating too many donuts, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, we'll go there another time. So let's go into the other leg. Put the stretch strap or the necktie or whatever you have right in the middle of that shoe. The other leg is out straight. Now remember, this leg, the leg is not too stiff, it's soft. So pull it towards you, feel that stretch the back of the leg, and come back down. Yes, so breathing out as you pull it up towards you. There you go, excellent job, good. And remember to breathe out as you pull it up. In other words, don't hold your breath, okay? That's what's most important. So pull up, yes, feel that stretch right here? Good, but it's not painful, right? Okay, come back down, let's get 2 more. You're doing a great job. The hardest part is showing up, and I'm proud of you. You showed up, you put this video on, and I hope you're doing it. You're not just watching it, you're actually doing it, right? Okay, pull up, up, up. Excellent, good. Hold that stretch, good. So how's that feel, pretty good? Oh, I know it does. So let's go ahead and put it around the other leg in that same position, okay? And I'd like you to wrap your stretch strap or necktie on the outside of the leg and then grab it with your other hand. See what I just did? Okay, and then I'm gonna bring it out to the side, and I'm gonna feel this in my hip and my groin. Come all the way up. Good. Keep your shoulder blades on the ground as you go out to the side. Perfect. And see how the stretch strap or the necktie, whatever you're using, it's helping support the knee. Let's get 2 more. We're shooting for roughly 5. Anywhere between 3 and 6 reps should be perfect. Okay, out. Keep the shoulder blades on the ground. Try not to let your whole body turn. Okay, this is gonna feel amazing when you're done, and you could do this every day, even twice a day. Let's go ahead and put it around the other foot, right in the middle. Wrap your necktie or your stretch strap on the outside of your leg, and then bring it across your body to the outside, okay, outside, and come back up. So opening up the hip and the groin, bring it across, yes. And remember that necktie needs to be long enough to where you can grip it, okay, because if it's too short of a tie, that's not gonna work. Up. Let's get 2 more. You're doing a great job. Keep those shoulder blades down. You can roll a little bit, just not all the way. And I'll show you, this last one, I'm gonna show you what I don't want you to do, okay? I don't want you doing this right here, okay? So let's go ahead back to the other one. There you go. And then what you're gonna do is wrap it on the inside of the leg, the inside of the leg. See what I just did there? And you're gonna bring it across this way. Cross, good, just like that. So it's going across the other way. This time I'm gonna feel it more in my glute and my hip. There you go. Feel that in the glute and the hip, nice. And again, 3 to 6 reps should be perfect. And you could stretch every single day, is fine. And then come back up. And the guidelines of exercise in general, let's switch sides, is 150 to 300 minutes a week of cardiovascular exercise. Okay, bring it on the inside, guys. Bring it across your body, shoulder blades on the ground if you can. And then twice a week of resistance training. I personally think 3 is better. And every day you could do stretching all the way up. So think about that. If it's 150 minutes a week of cardio, that's walking, what, 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week? And you could do 10-minute bouts, 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes at lunch, 10 minutes in the evening. That's good stuff. If you're looking to lose weight, remember 300 minutes a week is even better. Down. There you go. And exercise snacking. Oh, exercise snacking, guys, is the best because that doesn't mean there's a bag of chips by your 10-pound dumbbells. Come back up. Look what I'm doing. I'm putting the resistance around the middle of my foot, and I'm lifting this up. Your back's gonna love you for this. Yes. Lower it down slowly, just a little bit, and then lift it up again. Exercise snacking is when you dance while you're cooking those vegetables in your kitchen. It's when you take the stairs instead of the elevator. Come back, release. It is when you return that grocery cart and get those extra steps in. That's all called exercise snacking, doing little bits of snacks all day long, and it all adds up. Pull it up. This is really good for that lower back, by the way. One more. Pull it in and back down. Good. Now, what I'm going to do is grab that. You can leave what you have in there. I'm just showing you how I can use the stretch strap as the same exact thing. Woo, what's nice about the stretch strap is it does have handles, so it's a little bit more comfortable and it's longer. So I want you to go ahead and pull both knees into chest just like this. Hold it. Yes, and hold. Now straighten it up. And then pull those knees in. That's 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Good. Flexion feels good, especially if you have some stenosis going on. And that's 3, 2, 1. Last one. Remember to breathe, not hold your breath. Pull it in. And that's 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Whew. How are you feeling after that stretch? Again, you could do that every day. And remember, stretching is slight discomfort, not pain. And just listen to your body. Thank you.